The Windows 11 taskbar gives access to frequently used apps, virtual desktops, the Start menu, and the Quick Settings. But if it suddenly stops working, here's what you should do. First, restart Windows Explorer. To do that, open Task Manager from your taskbar, look for Windows Explorer from the Apps tab, then right-click and select End Task. Now your screen may flicker for a moment as the Windows Explorer starts. Then, your taskbar should start working now. Another possible solution is to reinstall and re-register all Windows apps for all accounts. And in order for you to do that, open PowerShell with admin rights, type in the following command, then press Enter. Now Windows will now try to reinstall and re-register all the built-in Windows apps. However, you will see an error message in red indicating the app already exists and cannot be reinstalled. But you just have to ignore the message and wait for the process to complete till you see the following line. After that, you have to restart your computer. And lastly, uninstall the recently installed Windows Update. Do that by opening Settings, go to Windows Update, click the Update History, and click on Uninstall Updates to begin the uninstallation procedure. So that's how to fix Windows 11 taskbar not working on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.